Hi everyone, so today we're going to draw an ant, like the insect. So first we're going to draw the ant's head. So we'll just make a circle. And then we're going to draw a smaller circle behind its head. So kind of like that. And then in the back, we're going to draw not a circle, but kind of like a cone shape, kind of like that for the ant's body, for the back of the body. So we'll go ahead and add some eyes. Put two circles, nice big eyes. And then in the center too, we'll color that in later. We'll color it in black later on. And then we're going to give our ant a nice big smile. All right, and so ants have antennae, so we're going to add two little antennae on top of his head. Just like that. All right, and then we're going to give a little pattern on the back of our ant's body. So we're just going to draw two little sets of lines back here. And then the only thing we're missing are legs. So we're just going to draw some little legs coming down here and just draw little feet on the bottom of the legs. So we're going to give him 4 legs on the back, and then we're going to give him 2 legs here in the middle of his body, like that. And then I'm going to also add a little leaf next to this ant, because ants like to eat leaves usually. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and use our black marker and then outline everything with the black marker. We'll just go ahead and fill in those pupils in the middle. Just like that. We'll do our antennae at the top. And we'll go ahead and do the middle part of the body. And then the back. And go and do our little feet at the bottom. And our 2 feet and legs in the middle. All right, and finally our little leaf here. Oh yeah, and also, of course, these little design lines that we have on the back of our ant. So next we're just going to go ahead and erase all of those lines, or the pencil lines that we have. And brush all that eraser away. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and color our ant. So I think for these little lines in the back, I'm just gonna color them in black. All right, and then for the ant itself, I'm going to use this brown color to color the ant. You can color the entire ant black if you want, or red. There's red ants, you know, there's all sorts of colors that you could make your ant. Be careful around those eyes. All right, and then I'm also going to go and color the antennae brown also. And then the feet and legs are also going to be brown. Okay, so for our ant's mouth, we're going to use this red color for that. And then for the leaf, I'm going to use this green, kind of like a dark green. Okay, and that's how you draw an ant. If you like this video, please subscribe. I have several other videos on my page. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.